next story is with regards to a subject that in fact led not just the national capital but also the entire nation divided. This is the Supreme Court versus stray dogs in the national capital that we are speaking of. After the Supreme Court's order on the stray dogs in Delhi, the MCD has in fact launched a vigorous drive now across the capital to get the dogs off the streets and into shelters. But on Monday, the operation took a violent turn in a locality in Rohini. A team of 5 MCD dog catchers were allegedly attacked by a group of dog lovers, and the team was out to capture strays when the group reportedly vandalized the van, assaulted the staff and forcibly released 2 captured dogs. The van's front glass was shattered and one of its tires was punctured. The MCD has now filed an FIR and one among them has been detained, and police are scanning CCTV and mobile footages to identify the other suspects.
An incident took place in Rohini when a dog catcher team was on the field. They have caught 2 stray dogs, and while they were heading to other location, few dog lovers have gathered and they assaulted the team and they vandalized the vehicle. Currently, I'll show the same vehicle which was vandalized by dog lovers on that day. First, they have broken the front glass of the vehicle, they have punctured it, even they abused the team. Later, an FIR was filed by the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, and Delhi police has detained one of the dog lover. And Delhi police is investigating the matter. They are looking into the CCTV and they are talking to eyewitness in this matter. Here you can see behind me the same van which was vandalized by the dog lovers. Currently the matter is in Supreme Court, which will decide the future of stray dogs in the national capital. With cameraman Manish Bidudi, Anmol Bali, Delhi.
सेक्टर 3 में गए डॉग उठाने के लिए, तो वहाँ से भी एक हमने डॉग उठा लिया। वहाँ भी एक बुजुर्ग को काटा था उन कुत्तों ने, तो उसको भी हमने उठा लिया सर। फिर बाद में वहाँ पे कुछ लोग इकट्ठे हो गए और उन्होंने उस कुत्ते को उतरवा लिया, सेक्टर 3 वाले को। सेक्टर 3 वाले कुत्ते को उतरवा लिया सर। वहाँ भी कुछ हमारे साथ गाली गलौज करी है और एक बुजुर्ग ने शीशा भी तोड़ दिया है, और वो ये भी कह रहे थे कि तुम्हें हम तेल डाल के इनको जिंदा जला दो और मैं वकील हूँ, मैं केस लड़ लूँगा। वो हमारे साथ सारे सेक्टर 16 गए कि हमारे साथ हमारे आंखों के सामने 16 वाले कुत्ते को वहाँ हमारे आंखों के सामने छोड़ना। फिर हम सर वहाँ कुत्ते को छोड़ने के लिए गए तो वहाँ काफ़ी सारी पब्लिक हमें मिली थी, और जो वहाँ कुछ हमारे पीछे 15-16 आदमी थे, और फिर सर एकदम से वहाँ झुंड आया, वो कुत्ता भी उतरवा लिया और सर मार पिटाई करने लग गए। हम बिल्कुल अपनी जान बचा के भागे सर वहाँ से।